To make a screencast, you'll need some sort of screencasting software to capture what's going on the screen. I'm using Camtasia Studio 8. You'll need a virtual whiteboard to write on. I'm using Smart Notebook, but any graphic arts program will work. And you'll need a microphone to capture what you're saying. I'm using a Logitech headset. And then a tablet, which will serve as your virtual marker to write on your virtual whiteboard. I'm using a Wacom tablet. And then an account online where people can access your screencasts. I'm using YouTube. It's also nice if you have the snippet tool that allows you to capture whatever's on the screen and then bring it into your document here, and then you can simply write right on top of it. Once my screencast is done, I can open up my screencasting software to produce the screencast. And so I'm going to produce this in HD to make it crystal clear. I'll title my screencast, How to Make a Screencast. And then it'll render the video, which takes a little while. But once it's done rendering, I can open up my YouTube page and I can upload the video. And so I choose to upload. I go into here, I click the video, and now it's going to upload to YouTube. This too will take a little bit of time. Once it's uploaded to YouTube, you should be able to access it, and the video should be viewable to anyone in the world.